Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a demo from Lush. This is their Golden Pudding Bath Bomb. This one's dusted in some gold mica. It's 7 ounces and it cost $8.95. And at first when I put it in the tub, I didn't think it was going to be that interesting, but it definitely had some hidden color inside. This bath bomb is described as a citrusy and uplifting scent. I could definitely pick up on the citrus. It also has fragrance notes of sweet wild orange, wine lees, which I'll get to in a minute, and lime oil. So I could pick up on the sweetness and the citrus, but I was like, what is a wine lees? I had to Google it and I learned something new today. Apparently wine lees are leftover yeast particles created during the fermentation process. So pretty interesting. Here's the bath bomb. So it was making a very loud fizzing noise. So I picked it up and like that whole top part had already melted off. And there was lots of pink and orange inside. So it was very colorful and pretty active. The inside was definitely foaming and fizzing faster than the outside, the yellow part of the bath bomb. And this one was very fun to watch. So I try to include footage of it zoomed in so you could kind of see it, and then a zoomed out kind of overlook of what the bathtub looks like. So here's that. Very, very pretty. And by the time everything got done dissolving, the water was a peach color. I did check on it a couple times just to see how much was left, because sometimes it's hard to tell when it's in the water. So you'll see in just a moment what that looks like. This one was dissolving very interestingly. So like that yellow shell is there and just the inside. I thought it looked really cool how it was dissolving. So I went ahead and submerged that and let that go. Then eventually everything inside had got done dissolving. And then the yellow part on the outside took a little bit longer, but here's what the water looks like. Super fun bath bomb. Highly recommend it. If you'd like to see some more demos from the Lush holiday line, make sure you subscribe and stay tuned. Thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.